I live in a room, y'all. Okay, sound check time, y'all. I'm in Connecticut. Out here with MC Hammer, a good friend of mine. Yeah, I've been signed with Hammer for a while now, and it's going down. So let's go to the sound check. He takes me all over the world with him. Just came back from South Africa, London, and let's go.
Just meet me up here. Let's go, man.
How you doing, man? All right, we're going down now, and it's MC Hammer dancers, like always. It's Pleasure Illis, me, Dre, the whole crew, Mike Gamage, and all of us. All right, we're in Connecticut right now. We're going to the Mohegan Sun. All right.
What's happening, man? You know, we just doing what we do, baby. You know, we just gonna make it do what it do. Hammer time once again. We're finna go over there and hit it, but I don't know, because whoever come behind him got to bring the noise. That's how we do it, like that there. Boom!
Hey, he's keeping it real. He's telling the truth. You know what I'm saying? He's not lying about that. Hammer time coming hard and rough. His dancing is incredible and his heat. He has heat, so if we come in behind Hammer, we gotta put in work.
Always on the phone. Her name is Miss Kim. Okay. Over there in the blue shorts. Get out the boot. Put your hands on your hips. That's all of them, you know, all of them, you know. You already know how it goes. You know how they are. Yeah. But they ain't gonna do. We gonna do it also hard.
Boom!
Bam, nigga.
Yeah. Out here right now, y'all. Connecticut's almost showtime. You know we do it. Mark right there.
What's happening, y'all?
What's happening, man?
Out here in the freezing cold. You know, being myself, doing what I do. You know, just hanging low, doing my thing. And what we gonna do? We gonna hit it with this Hammer time, like boom.
Sound check. Boom.